What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to another episode of Bionic Trades. In today's video, I'm going to cover a common problem with bot operators. It's a problem that I've been dealing with for quite some time and struggling with, and probably will continue to struggle with. The problem is overfitting your bot, or over-tuning your bot. You do want to tune your bot to make it the most effective that it can be. However, over-tuning it typically means fitting it specifically for a very specific data set. Overfitting typically provides fantastic and amazing backtesting results, but rarely ever delivers actual results in live trading. So let's take a break from live trading and take a look at some backtesting results from some of the changes that I made over the weekend. And when I say changes, I mean fitting the bot. So this is a simple view of my backtesting results. We'll focus mostly on the top left of this box, where you can see the win ratio, total profit, and number of trades. This is actually the control results. So this is the results after 0 changes. So we'll call this Model A. My first attempt at improvement was not successful, and the results were actually worse. After a few adjustments, now we're making progress with Model C. But why stop there? Let's keep tuning. You would think that going from negative $99 to $640 would be a great place to stop. But I decided to go a little bit further to get the results that I was looking for. And this, my friends, is exactly what overfitting looks like. We're basically making our code fit this specific data set of just a handful of days, which may not have any bearing on the future. Now let's go back to live trading and see how the new code performs. I also wanted to mention a new feature of the video, which is this box on the right, which will list the profit or loss of each trade as it closes. Hopefully this will make following the video a little bit easier. So after 4 trades, it's not looking so good, as we've already lost 4 trades in a row. This trade on X looks promising, but unfortunately, it too does not work out and gets stopped out. But we did end up with a small profit of $6. Here, it almost looks like we might be able to turn the day around. Unfortunately not, and we end up losing both of those trades with CFG and NEM. Here we have ticker C stopping out for $6.28. Let's see if we can get any luck on our last trade of the day with OGN. Alright, so today's not a complete loss. We win our last trade, OGN, for a profit of $28.85. That brings our daily P&L to a loss of $33.93. We only won 2 out of 9 trades today. So this is yet another lesson for me to learn on why not to overfit my bot. Please join me for my next video, where hopefully I can turn this around and get my bot to winning again. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe.